it's your girl Samantha K here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a pack with me. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Let's not even waste no time. Let's get it. I'm gonna just be pulling everything out of my closet, and then I'm just gonna probably do like some piles on my bed of the stuff that I'm gonna take and the stuff that I'm gonna give away. So let me show y'all what I got going on. So hold up. So this is like one half of my closet. Down here is like my recording stuff. You can't even see. Okay, so let me just show y'all. This is the closet. It looks a mess right now because I'm pretty much getting everything ready. I'm gonna start just by taking all my stuff out of the closet because I have a lot of stuff in this closet. So I got like a lot of recording stuff that I had bought, and I wasn't able to use it because my room is pretty small. So yeah, I wasn't really able to set it up, and I didn't want to set everything up and then take everything down because I knew I was moving. So yeah, and then I have a lot of stuff that I bought for the apartment. If you don't know, me and my girlfriend are moving in together. Period. I don't have enough boxes. I only have 2 big boxes, so hopefully all my stuff fits in there. If not, I'm just gonna put it in my suitcase because really, oh well. So yeah, I got this. Y'all, my mama gave me this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. If y'all know what I can do with this, let me know, y'all, because I need help. Because this is definitely coming. I just don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I had got this from the thrift store. Oh my god, what is that? It's like in good condition, and I wasn't able to wear it. But just look at it. Look at the bell. I'm so annoying when it comes to Christmas, but y'all, who gonna come to my Christmas party if I have an ugly Christmas sweater party? It's so cute, like, okay. Definitely keeping this. I found my 7th and 8th grade yearbook. Oh my god, y'all. Oh my god. It's like I'm finding all my stuff that I never even, like, I don't even know. But this, is it focused on it? What is this from? Samantha? Oh my god, it's like stuck together. That's how old this shirt is. Give us, girl, I don't even know. I think this was, I don't know when this was, but I think this was for like my 7th or 8th grade year. Okay. So I put a little hole in my, trash bag, and then right, hold up. I probably put too many clothes. I think I'm gonna put all my shoes in my suitcase because why put them in boxes when I have a suitcase? Period. Like so many shoes, and it really just doesn't make sense. So this is how I'm packing them. I'm just gonna like do them like that, and then I'm gonna put probably like the heels and stuff in here. For a break. Every time I do some heavy lifting, I gotta take a break. Okay, and I'll come back to y'all when I'm done. I know y'all don't want to see me fold. I'm gonna come back when I'm moving on to something else, but for now, I'm just folding all the clothes. This is what I have right now, and I'm just gonna fold the clothes, and then I'll be back. What I gotta do next? I'm gonna go through this drawer, go through this thing, and then yeah, I'll be back for that. Okay, so I'm finally moving on to this. So yeah, I'm just gonna take all my stuff out of here and just put them in this new box that I got. So yeah. Oh, y'all, if y'all ever come across these candles, hold up. Come on, focus. If you ever come across these candles right here, y'all, oh my god, you have to get this candle. I'm about to light it right now, actually. It's like, I forgot what type of wick it is. Hold on, let me. It's called Sea Salt Charcoal Ocean Mist. It's eco-friendly, period. I just gotta take a break because there's a lot going on. I didn't know I had this much stuff, and I'm like trying to clean as I go, but it's just not working. But I'm listening to music. I just want to put y'all on to a song really quick. Focus. My phone doesn't want to focus. I mean, my camera doesn't. There we go. Time by Sebastian Michael. Somebody. Time by Sebastian M. Y'all need to go listen to it. It's like, hold up. Let me just. That's all I can give y'all without being copyrighted. But, period. Y'all need to go listen to that song. I'm telling y'all, y'all gonna love it. It's a good song. But let me continue doing what I'm doing, and I'm gonna come back. Oh, let me talk about this real quick. So I got this on Amazon. I got this on Amazon. It's called Pure Intentions Pheromone Unisex Perfume Oil Original. I saw this on TikTok, and basically TikTok told me to get it, so I got it. And I got it, and I love it. That's it. So if you see this out there, the price has went up since. I got it for like $7. I think it went up by now, but get it. Either get the roll-on, or I got the. Hold on, because I'm not trying to waste none of this. It's like a little dropper. Can y'all see? Probably can't. There we go. It's like a little dropper. So yeah, but they do have the roll-on kind. Get it. Hopefully y'all remember how terrible my closet was before. But I have everything, not everything, but I have most of the stuff in its boxes. I have all of my stuff hanging up, my clothes. I got most of it hung up. But I have all my makeup stuff here. I'm about to go through this drawer right here. I'm about to go through that drawer or dresser or nightstand that I just showed y'all. And I'm about to go through and take some stuff out. And then I'm going to go to my bathroom. And I'm going to get everything out and put it in this box right here. Bam. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put that in the box. Put everything where it needs to go. And then I'll be done. But for my restroom stuff, it's really like my hair products and the stuff that I have under the cabinet. It's really not anything that's like a lot. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish that, and then we'll be done. Period. I have more boxes downstairs. So yeah, I have my couches. I got my couch downstairs. I got our bed downstairs. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff downstairs that y'all haven't seen, so stay posted. Y'all will be seeing that in the vlog. So yeah, I have my bathroom stuff in here. Everything that I'm taking is here, and then again I also have stuff downstairs. And then I'm keeping this here because this was the recording setup that I had before. I have 2 drawers left, and they have my shirts and shorts in there. And I left that in there because I move on Saturday, and today is Monday. And so if I pack everything, I'm not going to have anything to wear for the week. So I just left that there. Next time y'all see me, I will be moving out. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below. Turn on those post notifications and comment what you'd like to see next. Until next time, bye.